Hello YouTube. It's 3:20 in the morning or 2:30 in the morning, depending on where you're located. Can you find a weird noise? See if we can record this noise that this car is making. Okay, that's the only time you can see the navigation screen at night. Let's see how it goes. See, I no accelerating, no braking. I think the bearings are gone in this car. Front bearings, maybe. So accelerating pretty good. All's good so far. So let the acceleration go. Brake. What is that noise? I have no idea. Need your help.